are going to see about solar system. There are 8 planets and 5 rock planets around the sun. We are living in our Earth. Earth is in our solar system. It is in the Milky Way galaxy. And there are many galaxies in universe. Now we are going to see about solar system. The sun lies at the heart of the solar system. It heats 99.8% of the solar system mass and is roughly 109 times the diameter of Earth. The sun is one of the more than 100 stars in Milky Way. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is one of the rocky planets. It has a solid surface and that is covered with craters. It has no atmosphere and it does have any moon. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun and is Earth's close neighbor in the solar system. Venus is the brightest object in the sky. After the sun and the moon, the planet is a little smaller than Earth. Its surface is covered with craters, volcanoes, mountains and big lava. It has no moon. Earth. Earth is our home. It is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet known to have an atmosphere connecting free oxygen, ocean and water on its surface. And our curious life, Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It has one moon. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun and the second smaller planet in the solar system. Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the red planet because of the iron oxide prevalent on Mars' surface. It is the red in color. Mars is terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere and crackers, valley, desert and poor ice caps. Mars have two moons, Phobos and Deimos. Asteroid belt. The asteroid belt was first discovered in 1801. The asteroid belt is a discovered shape located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The asteroids are made of rock and metal and are they innerly shaped. The size of the object within the asteroid belt range of being as small as a dust particles to almost 1,000 km wide. The fourth largest object in the belt are Ceres, Vesta, Pulse and Pangaea. Jupiter is the fourth brightest object in our solar system. The ancient Babylonians were the first to record the sightings of Jupiter. This was around the 7th or 8th century BC. Jupiter has the shortest day for all the planets. It turns on its axis on every 9 hours and 55 minutes. Jupiter orbits the Sun once every 11.8 Earth years. The upper atmosphere of Jupiter is discovered into cloud belt and zones. Jupiter into is made of rock, metal and hydrogen compounds. Jupiter moon Ganymede is largest moon in the solar system. Saturn. Saturn is the fifth brightest in solar system. It is named the Roman god Saturn. Saturn is the flattest planet. Saturn turns on its axis on every 10 hours. and 34 minutes. Saturn orbits the Sun once every 29.4 Earth years. Saturn's atmosphere is discovered into bands of clouds. Saturn has oval-shaped stones similar to Jupiter's. It is made mostly of hydrogen. Saturn has the most extreme ring in solar system. It has 82 moons and smaller moonlets. The largest moon Titan and Rhea. Uranus. Uranus is made of water, methane and ammonia. Falls above a small rocky center. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen and helium like Jupiter and Saturn, but it also has methane like Venus. Uranus rotates in the opposite direction as most other planets, and unlike the other planet, Uranus rotates in its side. Neptune. Neptune is dark, cold and very windy. It is the last of the planets in our solar system. It more than 30 times as far from the Sun as Earth. Neptune is very similar to Uranus. It's made of thick soup of water, ammonia and methane over an Earth side solid center. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen, helium and methane. The methane gives Neptune the same blue color as Uranus. Dwarf planet. A dwarf planet is a celestial body that orbits the Sun, has enjoys mass to assume a nearly round shape, has not cleaned, not neighborhood around its orbit, and it's not a moon. Thank you.